Hey, Dan of all things here, out of Lake Powell, passing the Powell's Marina. Get a close-up shot there. Store's open as usual, but concessions, no concessions again this year. No ice cream. No ice cream for years. I haven't got an ice cream on Lake Powell for a lot of years now at any marina. That's my gripe. Get a shot of the Powell's boat ramp launch over there. Operational for the first time in a few years. Looking good. We are making our way down lake a little bit. Find us a spot for today. But here we get a shot of stuff over there.